And number 43 talks about a game. So it's a bag. There is 7 red balls, 3 yellow and 5 black. And a child will repeat drawing 1 ball at a time without replacement until he selects a black ball. So we are now going to find the probability that the child needs at most 3 draws. So maybe in the first draw it's already a black, or maybe it's in the second ball it's black, or maybe it's the third ball that's black. So we have to consider one case by case. So first case, if the first ball is already black, that means in that case he must draw a black ball. So there is only 5 black balls available out of 15. So the probability of him choosing a black ball first time round is 5/15. Now, if it's the second ball that is going to be black, that means the first one cannot be black and the second one will be black. So there are going to be 2 fractions that we write down. The first one being there's 15 balls available and it's not a black one. So if it's not a black one, it can be a yellow or a red. So there are 10 such balls available that would not allow him to win by picking up the first ball. However, because in this case it's without replacement, after he's drawn the first ball, there are only 14 balls left in the bag. And now, because we are saying that he's going to win at the second try, now he has got 5 black balls to choose any of them for to win it. And then likewise, if it's the third one he's going to win, that means the first ball needs to be a non-black. And in the second draw, it's also going to be a non-black, but first ball is already been drawn, which was non-black. So there are only 9 non-black balls available. And since 2 balls are gone, there was only 13 left in the bag. And then this time he's going to win it. So it's going to be 5 options available. So because it can be any of these, so it's OR case. So we simply add these fractions up and we get the answer. And the answer in this case is 67/91. Therefore, the answer is D.